That's a risky blast. You think you save time by cutting ahead, but the lorry can't see you. It's a danger instead. Hold back, give them space, that's the key. Lorries need room, they're wider, you see. Stay behind the bumper, let them go first. In a tight spot, safety's the thirst. Rushing to pass, what's the big deal? You risk getting squeezed, that's not ideal. Lorries can't maneuver, they need their room. Stay back, stay safe, avoid the gloom. Hold back, give them space, that's the key. Lorries need room, they're wider, you see. Stay behind the bumper, let them go first. In a tight spot, safety's the third. Respect the trucks, they carry our dreams. Driving safely is more than it seems. If a truck's in your mirror and there's no one ahead, you're probably too slow, let him pass instead. Hold back, give them space, that's the key. Lorries needs room, they're wider, you see. Stay behind the bumper, let them go first. In a tight spot, safety's a third.